Ok, bonjour ma classe de français de pré-AP. Aujourd'hui, c'est mardi le 25 septembre. And this is what we did for fifth period. All right, so for our warm-ups, we didn't do our today's warm-up because we had not quite gotten to the vocabulary, so we skipped today's warm-up, but we went ahead and we reviewed our school subjects, all right, and let me go back to the beginning. All right, so les matières, les sciences, la biologie, la physique, la chimie, la criminalistique, la science de l'environnement, les langues, le français, l'anglais, l'espagnol, l'allemand, les maths, l'algèbre, la géométrie, le calcul, les arts plastiques, la musique, la fanfare, la musique, la chorale, la danse, le théâtre, l'éducation physique et sportive, les sports, le basketball, le football américain, le football américain, le volleyball, le softball, le baseball, le water-polo, la natation, la gymnastique, l'informatique, l'histoire, la géographie, les adjectifs, facile, difficile, drôle, énergique, intéressant, intéressante, intelligent, intelligente. And then we had our questions, and we copied these questions onto page 29 of our notebook. We copied all of this, 1 through 3, and we didn't fill in the blanks yet. We just copied down what the answers would be with the blanks. We did not copy down the next slide, but tomorrow we will copy this slide down as well on page 29. So once we did that, then we took our envelope that we had already made here, okay, because we had made the envelope several days before, last week actually, and we glued it onto page 28. And then we took our flashcards. I gave them flashcards today, which are, hang on a second. Flashcards were actually a printout and copies of all of these, but I did it in picture form. All right, where they were in sheets of 6 slides per sheet. And so I gave that packet out, and we cut out each one. We cut them out, and then on the backs we wrote what they were. So, like each of these is its own little picture. And so on the back, except for the questions, on the back you wrote what it was. Like there was a picture of a funny face, and then on the back you wrote drôle, and difficile was on the back of this one, and so forth and so on. And we cut them all out, and then we placed them in our little envelope that we had made. And then, like I said, on page 29, we copied these questions down, And tomorrow we are going to copy these questions down. And then we're going to answer them. So that is all we did today in 5th period. Au revoir, bon après-midi, à demain.